what is tip number 9 for how to get the best of every learning and training program we're doing in our life? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And in the last videos, I was sharing all the golden rules, I call them, for how to get the best of every learning and training program. And today is our last one, number 9, and it's really important as the previous ones. This one is stay connected. I do remember in my dancing studio, there were all kind of different people that were coming to the studio just to learn dancing. And one of the good, best things for this dancing group and for the dancing studio was the opportunity for people to really socialize, just to come together, to come to know each other. And there were amazing connections. Some of them, they got married. They found the love over there, which was amazing. But for most of them, they stayed connected and they really engage with each other. They start to know each other. And the social moment of learning is really important. For us as adults, it's really important to study and to grow and develop with other adults, not just by ourselves, just to be studying at home, but together with others is much more greater fun, is much more dedicational, and is much more powerful and empowering. I remember I was speaking with someone, he's in his 50s and he's a runner. He loves to run. And once we were just chatting with him and he said, when I'm running by myself, I'm not so keen to run much. But when I have a running buddy, I'm ready to run a lot. And that's why it's really important to have this running buddy, just to run with someone, just to stay connected. And in a subject you want to develop, for example, dancing or sports or crafts or arts or economy or business, wherever your interest is, stay connected. Once you've been through the course, there's a lot of social groups. In the social medias, there are different groups which are based on interest. Stay there, connect there. Don't try to be the lonely ranger. It's not fun, it's boring, and it's lonely. But connect with others. Pick up your subject. For example, we are studying here resolution mastery. We are speaking about resolutions. So stay connected with us. Stay connected with the groups we are creating and organizing for all of you guys. Just stay connected. Don't try to do it by yourself. Don't try to outrun everyone or says, oh, I'll do it by myself. Stay connected with a group of people. We are social beings, humans. So we need each other. We need to run together. We need to study together. And it's much more important and much more vital, and it brings much more value and effect when we are studying together with others. That's why it's cool. Most of us, we are learning in classes with others. When we are going even to work, we have different trainings from work. It's with others again. But stay connected. And this is one of the really, really most important subjects and topics and tips and golden rules. These 9 golden rules I've been sharing with us for the last couple of videos. Keep them, take them, meditate on them, because they will be a foundation of all the lessons we are about to learn in the next coming videos in these training programs. So thank you for your time. And in the next video, I will share with you more, and I will answer the question, is the New Year's resolution something new for us as humans? It will be really interesting. A lot of good, interesting facts I will share with us. And I wish you a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Thank you for your time. See you soon.